At Walco Seed, we help farmers unlock the potential of their crops with advanced seed care. Importance of timely harvesting. Timely harvesting is crucial for maximizing yields. It ensures that crops are harvested at their peak, improving both quality and quantity. Reducing crop losses. Effective harvesting methods help reduce crop losses, saving valuable produce for farmers to thrive. Optimizing seed quality. Walco Seed's expert seed grading and cleaning ensure only the healthiest, most viable seeds are used for future planting. Boosting farm efficiency. With the right seeds and harvesting techniques, farmers can increase efficiency and reduce manual labor, leading to greater productivity. Supporting sustainable farming. By using high-quality seeds and smart harvesting practices, Walco Seed helps farmers embrace sustainable farming for a better future. Preparing for future success. Harvesting isn't just about today, it's about preparing for tomorrow. With Walco Seed's high-quality seed dressing, farmers can ensure their next crop is set for success. For better crops and sustainable farming, trust Walco Seed. Visit Walco Seed website today.